Hello everyone, today we're going to be unboxing this beauty, the Beat Fit Pro. Is came out like in 2022 and I just got this and I'm going to unbox it and show you what comes in the case. And as you can see, this says comfortable, secure fit on the ear, on the wingtip, active noise cancellation. It also has this new case, small case. I think this way compared to their power beats and stuff. And also it has spatial audio and it's sweat and water resistance. So we're just gonna go straight to the video and we're gonna unbox this. If it's your first time on my channel, please like, subscribe, and turn on the notification for when the full review of this Beats comes out. So let's get straight into the video. So as you already know, Beats is from Apple, so it comes with the Apple kind of opening on the side. Let's see if we can have a little ASMR. And that should be it. All right. See, slide open. The box is compact. This is my hand. My hand, I don't think it's that big, and it's a very little box. That is beautiful. Beautiful. Wow. So you say to pair, keep earbuds in case with lid open. As usual, just like the AirPods, Apple ink on there. And then on the box, let's see what's inside. Nothing in here. And then nothing underneath. We have some fits, some air tips on there. As we can already saw, this is USB type C, which is great, but it doesn't have wireless charging. As you can already see, the case is already, it's not fingerprint proof, but anyway, it's all right. I like the black models best. And inside here we have the usual paperwork. I think the white one looks cool as well, but I just like, the sleek black design. There wasn't any red colors. I don't like red anyways when earphone is too like, loud for me. So this is the paperwork, one sticker, which I don't know who uses it. If you're a kid, give it to a kid, they might use it. And then the usual paperwork inside. And you get, free trial of Apple Music. It doesn't say how many months, but you do get free trial of Apple Music. And that's that for there. And then the cable is, not too long. You need to get, a break USB Type C one to be able to charge it. But if you use the new iPhone 15 Pro, any Android phone, you'll be able to charge it easy. And then we have the tips on here, which is this. And then also the main event, everything is on the way, but the main event is this, the case, and these are the Beat Fit Pro, looking nice and gorgeous. So that's it. That's for the video. Like and subscribe for the full review, and until next time, peace.